Hi, this video shows internet data caping with Splynx software. We have internet plans that we can configure to cap the client, so it means when he reaches a certain amount of data, Splynx will lock him and will not allow access to internet. So in internet plan we choose the capped 1 megabit plan, and then we define the monthly cap. Here it's 100 megabytes of the upload and download. Then we define the top-up availability. So these clients from the plan can top up the plan for 100 megabytes for $10 or for 200 megabytes, for example, for $15. The validity of the top-up we define for 2 months, and that we want to charge for this top-up our clients. Then we specify the notifications after top-up plans. For example, we will notify our client after reaching 80% of his monthly limit, and also if he will use 80% of his top-up data, we will also send him the email notification, and then top-up action also will send a notification to a client. So when we have configured the top-up plans and the cap, we can just simulate what will happen if client will download 100 megabytes, so he will be blocked monthly cap. Let's try to connect one customer. He is one client online, and let's download some data to see what will happen. Okay, we are downloading data. Here we can see on the client information that already he got some usage. So let's click on the rule. So it shows the traffic from 100 megabytes that we allowed to download to this client. He used already around 12. So let's continue downloading, and let's download 80% of the traffic. So after 10 minutes our customer downloaded around 80 megabytes, and he got a notification, and his speed was also reduced a bit because we set up the fair user policy rule to reducing the speed. And if we open the email notifications log, we'll see that Splynx sent to this customer notification. So let's go quickly to administration and email logs. Here we see the message that was sent to our client saying that 80% of monthly traffic already used. And when the customer is continuing to download the data, we will lock him completely. So here we can see the red rule which says monthly limit was overused and the customer was locked. So if we want to open the web page and we are the client, we are redirected to the Splynx web page where we must log in and buy the top-up. This redirect rule we achieved on the MikroTik, and the MikroTik equipment we have a firewall netting rule which is sending the blocked client to the particular IP address. Here we can see this is the IP address of Splynx server. So the customer reached his monthly limit and he is fully blocked. Then he must top up his data to get internet access back. Thank you for your time.